All right, guys, this is the Harbor Freight Predator 6500 with a 301cc engine. I'm not going to go into bonded versus unbonded, the reasons for your house or whatnot. I'm just going to show you how to do it. No intro or anything like that, because I got a kid now and I ain't got time for this stuff. So anyways, if you want to hook this up to your house, you want to make sure that it is not bonded, which means ground to neutral. It used to be down in here, you had to take off the cover and do it, but in the newer revisions, you're gonna take off these 1, 2, 3, 4 10 mil bolts, pull the whole face off. Then there's gonna be 6 of these little bolts that you gotta pull out. And when you do that, you can take out the entire panel here. Doing this one-handed, apologies, and I'm doing it one cut. So once you pull that out, you will find on the back of the ground stud where it comes out in the back here, there's the ground stud down here. That, turn my headlamp on so you can see. You'll see if you trace the wires coming out of here goes the neutral, and then it comes back and the neutral to this outlet and the neutral to this outlet. But this yellow and black that is spliced in to this neutral off of that post, it's spliced in, used to go to this ground stud right here. And so what I did was I obviously took this out from the front. Turn my light off here. Took this out. There's screws on the front, you'll see it. Take that out, take them off, and then I got an Eaton 30 amp switch. I'll put the link to that in the description. I wired the splice from the neutral into the one pole of the switch, and the other with a 10 gauge wire, zip tied it all so it looks factory, back to here. So now whenever I want, I drilled a hole in the front, by the way. That hole is a 15/32 hole for this SPST Eaton switch. And I put a rubber-proof boot on it, one-handed, and I put a little bit of silicone behind it just in case. So now if I ever want to switch between bonded and unbonded, I just do that. I don't got to take anything apart. I'm not going to worry about it. I can just bond, unbond. Yes, they do sell plugs that you can remember to plug in and bond and unbond, but felt like this was just a cleaner approach. All right, thanks.